can you please tell me what this is? And this is from Carolyn. So I think we know what that is.
Yes.
What is that?
It's lily turf or
Lily
monkey
turf.
grass.
Yeah.
Liriope,
right?
Liriope, yes.
Liriope.
Uh-huh.
A lot of people plant liriope, especially if they have areas, you know, that I've seen it in areas that are poorly drained. I've seen it in areas that have bare spots.
That's right.
Areas, you know, that soil is eroding. So you can pretty much grow it for.
Yeah, and it does a great job everywhere.
Right.
Sometimes some of the varieties are a little more aggressive, and that's probably escaped somewhere that you didn't want it. But there's nothing wrong with it, and some people either love it or hate it.
Yeah, I know a lot of people that hate it. Go ahead, Doc. Anything you want to add to that?
Well, there's a little insect, a scale insect that sometimes gets on it. It attaches low down on the thing, but I don't think it hurts it a lot. But occasionally you could apply a systemic insecticide to control that if you had a problem with it. It might cause it to look unthrifty and not growing as well as it should.
Okay.
They do have a lot of foliar diseases too, but that's why the one thing about what's called lily turf monkey grass is because you cut it once a year in February.
Yes.
And you get rid of, and then you collect all of that, and then get rid of it, and then you don't have those diseases still hanging around to infect the plants for the next year.
Because if you don't, they look all tattered and torn.
Yeah, good sanitation.
Yeah.
You know, actually removing it from the garden.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.